Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
In case you didn't know, they're back. Sarah and Soda, our two ospreys, have feathered their nest, and they have been seen on numerous occasions hanging out up there on top of our tower. So kind of neat. Everybody likes to watch them, and you can at WWS at mysuncoast.com/osprey, and you get live stream 24/7. Kind of cool. You wouldn't have seen them today, though, goodness knows. Take a look at the Sarasota Bay webcam. The Sarasota Bay webcam put into motion doesn't show a whole lot in the way of anything except fog this morning. As we head into the afternoon, we'll probably see a little bit more cloud cover and fog starting up again. Our daytime high temperature today kind of reflecting the little bit of sunshine that we're starting to get now. We'll top it out today in the upper 70s, which is above average for this time of year. So let's look in this direction. We're looking at a little bit of cloud cover again building and some fog forming out in Gulf waters as we head into the evening hours. Perhaps an isolated shower or two during the overnight tonight is certainly possible, but I think that the majority of the issue could well be the sea fog that builds out in Gulf waters and a wind that starts to twist out of the south and eventually southwest in advance of a front that'll be advancing into our area tomorrow. And the reason that I think that's a problem is that it'll take this sea fog, and instead of just keeping it out in Gulf waters like sort of happened today, the southwesterly component could push it back toward the coastline and make the fog even a little more thick. Now, on the other side of the coin, the winds will be picking up a little bit over the next 24 hours because that front will be approaching. That would have a tendency to kind of limit fog. So my confidence in a dense fog situation tomorrow morning requiring a first alert would probably be at about 50% right now. So we'll wait, we'll see and see if it does develop, but I'm pretty sure we're going to see some sea fog out there. Just whether or not we're going to see a dense, widespread fog, still a little bit in question. But certainly this computer model is showing that occurring and lingering through the morning hours. Then as we head into the afternoon, tomorrow, and most certainly I think will be a first alert day because we'll be watching a line of showers approach the coastline, which could certainly provide some disruptions during the afternoon. And some of the showers could actually end up being thunderstorms with pops of lightning. That should all swing past here by about 10 o'clock tomorrow night, and then we'll be left with a kind of a brisk wind out of the northwest, drawing down some cooler, drier air, but also picking up a few clouds and maybe a scattered shower or two until we get into Saturday midday when everything starts breaking out in sunshine. But despite all the sunshine, it's still going to be cool over the weekend. And Saturday afternoon, we'll continue to watch those temperatures drop. Not much in the way of a rainfall chance for us today. I put it at about 10%. There might be an isolated shower or two. What you see there is false echo caused by the radar. Colder air back behind the approaching low-pressure area and frontal boundary carving its way through the state. The showers approach us tomorrow. The front comes through. The winds pick up out of the northwest and colder air arrives. So we look at an alert tomorrow for fog in the morning and then showers, perhaps thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. Possible thunderstorms tomorrow is certainly true, and then the weather will start to turn cooler. Looking at a southeast wind for today, not too terribly bad, but again, that sea fog is going to linger through mid-afternoon, I think, out there in Gulf waters, and some of it could be rather thick. So the forecast shapes up like this. Today, look for partly sunny skies, up to about 77. Tomorrow, fog in the morning, showers in the afternoon and evening, and the daytime high still warm. After the front moves through, it gets breezy, turns cooler, skies clear, but temperatures fall to about 63 on Saturday. Nighttime lows drop into the 40s. Sunday, probably the coldest weekend day with daytime highs struggling to make it into the upper 50s. And then as we head into Martin Luther King's birthday and the days after, temperatures will hold in the 60s, right?